Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Now in today's video, we're going to give you a first look at cases from SUPCASE that are designed specifically for the S23 Ultra. We're going to take a look at the cases, and we're also going to use this reference phone so that you can see what you can expect when you get your S23. Because let's face it, all of us want to have a case when we get our phone. So let's take a closer look so you can see which of these cases you may want to order. Now these cases from SUPCASE are pretty tough, and we're very thankful for SUPCASE sending them to us early, and then we also have a reference phone that we're going to be able to use to see how they're going to fit. So this is what you can expect from this reference of what the S23 Ultra will look like, and it's very close to what you see in the S22 with the camera arrangement and then the overall size. Now these cases that you see here are all super durable, right? So they have a kickstand in the back, so you can see the kickstand that you have here. They have polycarbonate frame, right? And this one doesn't have a built-in screen protector, so there's no screen protector. And you can see the different colors, but you'll see that each of them have a similar polycarbonate TPU combination frame. And then in this one as well, I'm kind of digging this pixel type color in the back, or that treatment. And then you have this one, which is almost like a gray camo type thing going on there, but I like that one as well. Now, one that is new for me is this one right here. This one looks like it's still going to be a durable case with a polycarbonate clear, but I'm kind of liking this design here. So you notice it has the frame. The frame in this case does come with the screen protector, but it has kind of like a more slim, I would say, design, and you can see how you have the nice SUPCASE here logo, and it just feels like it's going to be really nice in the hand. Now, keep in mind that this is really about durability, protection, and making sure that if you drop your phone, it's not going to get damaged. This one, though, it just feels a little bit more elegant, right? Not as rugged as this one, even though it is a rugged case, but it is a little bit sleeker, and I kind of like this one because it's going to slide really easy into my pocket. So let's take a look at what the reference phone will look like inside of them so you can see which one you're going to like. All right, so let's take a closer look at what the S23 is going to look like in the case. So I'm just going to put the back on so you can see what this looks like. I'll put one of the case covers on so you can see it's just like really difficult to put in and out once, especially if we're going to be switching from phone to phone. But check that out. This is what you can expect from the back look. I really like this color here. It's kind of like a neutral sand color, and then you can see the kind of protection you're going to have here, S Pen, and then your charging port. We'll put a cover on this one so you can see what it looks like. Here's the green version. Green looks pretty nice too, especially with this black. You can see what that looks like. That's very nice. This is kind of like, I'm calling it the Pixel. I don't know the name offhand of this one, but I like the colors that you have right here, and you can see that one. This is pretty cool. Really like the way this looks, and again, super durable. Here's your your camo or your army gray. That's what you can expect. And then this one right here is kind of like what I am digging too. I really like the way this one looks. So you can see that. The one thing in all these cases is that there's a lot of protection right here, because notice, I just want to move it around so you can see the shifting that happens here. This gives you a sense of kind of like the gap that's giving you a lot of protection. This one has the same thing. It doesn't move as much as that one does because of the kind of frame that it has and how it locks into place. But it's pretty much going to be very well protected. So we're going to go ahead and let me show you how this works. I'm going to put the frame on. You always put the frame on first. Right, it's going to go like this. Has an indicator here that tells you where you're going to be able to remove the case when you do. And then what you'll do is you'll just put it in just like this and then push in all the sides, right? And you'll do the exact reverse to take it out, right? So this is what it's going to look like when it's in. And I like the fact that it doesn't have a screen protector. We'll be getting screen protectors, and we'll check them out on the channel as well. Most screen protectors that I've tested tend to work with this lineup too. So this is what it would look like for those of you who want to see. And I'm telling you, I'm digging this color. This is probably, of all these, even though I really like this one, I think that this one's going to be my favorite color. And you can see, that's going to hold up like that, or it's going to hold up like this too with the actual kickstand. So great for Instagram, TikTok, and then also for content viewing for sure. And then it just goes away just like that. Now this other case works the same way as the other. So you put the frame on. This one has a screen protector in. And you'll notice it says right here to peel off this area because this is where the biometric is going to be. So you'll want to peel that off when you put it on. I'm going to leave it on for now. And then all you do is the same thing. I'm just going to snap it into place right here. I'll probably start on the bottom here because it seems like it's very rigid there. So we'll push that in right there. And then work our way on the top. Snap it into place. There it goes. And then this is what this case is going to look like. And you can see this is a really good looking case, right? Yeah. Obviously you'll take off the plastic here and this will be nice and clear. And then this is going to slide nicely into my pocket. Really like that. It doesn't really add a lot of thickness to it, but it's still going to give me good protection, and it has the buttons right there. Again, this is where your S Pen will come out, and then your charging port. Pretty cool. So guys, that wraps up our first look of cases for the S23 Ultra from SUPCASE. See you in the next video.